Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
2. Microeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on the smaller, individual components of the economy, such as businesses, households, and specific industries. It examines how these entities make decisions regarding production, pricing, and consumption, and how they interact within markets. Unlike macroeconomics, which looks at broad economic trends, microeconomics studies how individual players respond to changes in price, supply, and demand. A. Price determination. One of the main areas of microeconomics is price determination. Prices of goods and services are determined by the interaction between buyers, consumers, and sellers, producers in the market. The concept of supply and demand plays a critical role in setting prices. For example, if the demand for smartphones increases while supply remains limited, prices will rise. Conversely, if a company produces an excess of smartphones and demand is low, prices will decrease. B. Consumer behavior. Microeconomics also examines consumer behavior, which refers to how individuals make purchasing decisions based on their preferences, income, and available alternatives. Businesses use microeconomic principles to analyze consumer demand and set pricing strategies. For example, a bakery may lower the price of its bread if customers are buying less, or it may introduce discounts to attract more buyers. Another key area in microeconomics is the study of business operations and how firms compete in different market structures. Some businesses operate in highly competitive markets where multiple firms sell similar products, such as the fast food industry. Others function in monopolistic markets, where a single company dominates, such as an electricity provider in a specific region. Understanding market structures helps economists predict how businesses will behave, how prices will change, and what policies may be needed to ensure fair competition. D. Cost of production. Microeconomics also analyzes production costs and profitability. Businesses need to decide how much to produce, what resources to use, and how to minimize costs while maximizing profit. For instance, a car manufacturer must determine the most cost-effective way to produce vehicles while maintaining high quality. If production costs are too high, the company may struggle to compete with other manufacturers, leading to lower sales and profits. E. Labor markets. Another significant aspect of microeconomics is the study of labor markets, which looks at how wages are determined and how workers respond to employment opportunities. Factors such as education, skills, and experience influence wages and job availability. For example, individuals with specialized skills, such as doctors or engineers, often earn higher salaries because their expertise is in high demand.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.